Now, today we'll be talking about the method number 2 of saving money, which is saving water. Method number 1 was getting a haircut. So you can look that video up, SaveMoney101, get your own haircut. Now, the average family uses approximately between 80 to 100 gallons of water. Okay, now that's per person. Now, when you have a large family, or not even a large family, let's say you have maybe a family of 2 or 3, we're talking about pretty much 300 gallons. Now, as you can see, while I'm talking to you, I'm just letting this water run, okay? Now, did you know that every time you do the dishes, you waste approximately maybe from 6 to 7 gallons, okay? Now, what I want to do today is, I want to show you 3 different ways how we could save money. Now, I was wondering, how much water do we actually waste when we wash the dishes? Now, even though I just gave you an estimate, that's obviously going to vary, by family and how the person does the dishes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do an experiment, and I'm just going to let this water run for 1 minute. This cup here is, it goes all the way to 20 ounces, alright? And approximately 128 ounces equals 1 gallon. Now, these here, I'm going to use these to take the water. I don't want to let the water waste, so I'm just going to use it to take the water and put it in a bucket, which you can't see because my camera, for some reason just got messed up. But this old bucket here is where I'm going to place all that water. And I just want to secure that I do this as accurate as possible with the tools I have. I can't waste any money because, of course, I'm trying to save money. So, here we go. Now, I already measured this, and approximately 20 ounces of 20 ounces is approximately 2 cups. Alright? So, I'm just going to fill this up to 2 cups. I'll drop it in the bucket for 1 minute, and when I'm done, we'll do the math and see how many cups or how many ounces we used. Now, I have my magic watch here. This is the watch I use when I go running. Alright, let me just put it on. And I'll set this up for 1 minute. Okay, so my watch is set to 1 minute. And I am just going to, let me put this here. Let's see how I can do this. Alright, and I'm just going to let it go at a medium pace. Remember, it's all going to vary on the amount of pressure that you're using, okay? So, what my results might not be the same as your results. It all depends on the type of faucet that you have. And we'll talk about the type of faucets later on, because they could actually help us save money. I'll give you some tips later on. So, let's start the test.